Last week mete ora kusibu afodie. Your kind na nadwene. It is within his right. Nipa nye nipa papa emfa ntowa dwene de. Then sometimes obi your papa. I was okay.
Sir, we are makamedasi actually.
Especially papa eji nipa nkwa. You muye ni musu sa. Of course. Because when it was at a critical point. Minim $20,000 bia. If you Dr. Bawumia oba Mr. Boafo the surgery require ni ade. Enye sika na je nkwa but the bia ama.
Nke bia $20,000.
What I say? Wabuni Pape, he is a man that who does people good and he doesn't just on fun to
Cameron
Etina ni Pape nam my way, matua way, my way, as if Dr. Bawumia has not done it. Why ye be pa, but on your be or your papa, what they to know about who the rukunkunkum. But to some of you, who he has been good to you, it is for you to come out and speak for him. Because what suffer on Sanoho. And the Mumubia, why am a papa, why am a dome, one opportunity be? And never got a tiny diableno. No, not all what him is like a father to me. He has everything to lead this party. But I also feel, say, bia nkombodie bia ankoso ye bi krampa running mate once and some crime might be one of the reasons why a man a contest e bi ene
me rechi a metimi aka se e bi kra na ye 70 to 80%.
You see na no nya na to hide ba nkofo kika say no per running mate no anye running mate so ye de ma obi. And the man is being boxed left, right, center. And who is the best person to defend him? Sabe me kwabena sieruka no obetimi from me phone say Oheneba nan say dia say me nhunu say the energy a wo de ye Dr. Bawumia adwuma no me mpo. And with all due respect, in all humility, I think the last 2 months this is the time Dr. Bawumia will need Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe. If not for any region, in Ashanti region, I think he should be seen.
Yeah.
I think he should be seen. Me go any our party ni munyina no. Dr. Bawumia ye mampenia. The next person I could bring us on for so high Dr. Matthew Poku.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, so out of all the aspirants, the advantage of work is here, and they say he has the advantage of time. They can't timer. Kwame, polling station executives are mutieme, delegates are mutieme, volunteers who campaigned. It is very difficult to go and present Obia Sebi Obie nim no say we near the neighbor. An unknown quantity. Afian sabe chechemu, baby o fee, their year, their achievement, o kakra no not just omo usumti. Obia would not con dear. O didn't see what moon say, ni pay your bad down ya, ni more can ya cry, na ya see in tea, no sign your man and I buy on Mutisusiano or Moye. O share Bako Sema, President John Ajekun Kufo. He contested at least once. On my pain that day Kufuado. He went 3 times. On my pain Otisusisi Kramponoko 3 times. Meaning said there's a value in repetition. There's a value in political consistency. So beside ni panaba. Ni know wa he ne omwade na John Mahama. Olusu year 2016 na nkofo ka say momu nye sa mistake ni biom. Omo sign proper and sign the ne buy. Amen wabe weni overwhelmingly. So how much more a candidate Kwame Nadrimudo, a candidate, the complex of ideas or the impossible is made possible. And then my reading news item be said Nigeria and Kenya are going Ghana's way gold-backed with the gold-backed currency. Yes. So Nigerian naira, Kenya shilling, then almost So in fact, almost there's something about when somebody imitates you, it's flattering, isn't it? So in the whole of Ghana, we have one potential flag bearer hopeful. And a policy transcended from Ghana. And a policy other countries are learning from. Yawadia Sonko, me who Vice President Bia Waba Bemwa, the policies are or they are toho other countries except for Dr. Bawumia. Ebia now Nima, you can correct me. But for what I know, if today our neighbors, a policy that Yayanum Australia, Omba Bemunu Kenya, no more. And Dr. Bawumia championed this. Until I sit here with a sense of pride and contentment, not just as an MPP person, but as a Ghanaian. Say, no policy or the two hono. And just less than a year in exiting government, no. Other countries are mimicking. Now, share you can't a drone zip line. I almost say me kai yen minim say bia honorable hade bia wan kebi honorable me hwe ne nyonya mode tie ya nse ne kasa hunti me sure say osire ya no kebi a omo ka say zip line no che say ehun ni mfa so omo de be hwe mba omo dware etwa omo pictures. Well, that person represents and also your bar most unfortunate.
I say drone no
omo dware. This is coming, and this is that person was a key national officer in the party. As you say, occupy a very important position. Ewa abeni. Omoba abemu less than 6 months. A minister or a Ministry of Communication. You share video zipline drop pay a delivery. Just so bon same channel or saying Afronita. The near if this wasn't something that was successful. And Kabenya Hua Babesa Ewo. So our candidate, Dr. Bawumia, I say Mango Abrena and Kofoye Day, eto yes, Brofre Abre, Mati Mango Sudi.
Mango Abrena in Kola to do
so the attacks on him, it shows say or a formidable or no value. There's nothing for anybody to write that. And I'm saying so because several parliamentary candidates experienced this in 2024. Where polling station executives and our party for echoed this sentiment, say, and ya semesia and your muntuaba. Now they forget, say, fun say, touch root. Of course, that is not what I want. But should it go to him? The people that are more deny opportunity in 2024, no presidential aspirants in the history of our party. Aka say, Seminsan ka akonyana enyembo bia. Not Nana Akufo-Addo, not President Ejekum Kufuor, not even Professor Dubois here when you baby ko ni ho dodo na went to me anko contest one ka say me yare na enko mame a ene me enko mo bia. The biggest red flag sebe uye bebu na odi obi echi na say ono ne personal agenda nkwa na odwen ho a say uba wechi because of unko si baby pa anti-party behavior no say esutwa cause emboaye infaso bieni MPP AY3ka. That is the ultimate test. And the only candidate I said ni dimina ne subai ni bibia a chese or dream not just the party but dream Ghana for Dr. Bawumia. Now we can say aspirants ba who can say no anka on conceding until the last ballot is counted. The EC even declares before a last ballot is counted in other constituencies. So why would you hold the party to ransom, especially, or the country? Why would you hold the country hostage, especially when the results are clear? these are signs, and these are signs that we need a clear, formidable, emotionally intelligent leader or ready room, no ready times, no, and takes the right steps. Say be 2024, pressure back on him, no. Me sure kwase no boy tell kwa na him shin say now the way democracy yakotwaba enye cool ye but it is having the feel and the make of a coup. Subsequently, near me NCC Obeka in the era of 10% against government, the Chief Justice said acquire a fast you and no more appointed a new one. And also fast I know say let's look at that. Is it fair? Maybe it isn't, but quite more than a fast unity and also yes it is not right for anybody anywhere to say as we see a votes now yen Bawumia for yen casa baby ada.